Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. And I'm speaking to you from across the globe. I'm 7,500 miles away from my usual zone out here in Australia. Beautiful place, really nice people, absolutely beautiful women, just nice personalities everywhere. The family I came here to meet, as well as do an Omni camp, is just so fantastic to us. Oh, I I don't know if I should out their names, but Wayne, thank you so much. Wayne and your family, thank you so much. Boy, have you helped the Omni cause make our way to Australia, where I'm going to get to help five families in Australia, maybe six. We'll see what happens by the end of the week. I want to help fix their families by teaching them how to make money in these markets. So, risky, risky, risky. Trading is risky. We know that. We put stops in first at all times. But if you call these markets correctly, they're not as risky, especially if you put your stops in, than the reputation that they have. And, I'm living proof of this. Here's a for instance. I put out a video. The last video I did about the E-mini S&P was Flat Tops Produce Market Drops. It was the name of the video. This is what it looked like. This is how you can make money in trading. Flat tops produce market drops. That was my call. This is my flat top. I wrote it in the video. I said it in the video. I sent it all over the world. And then I jumped on a plane and went to Australia. Well, that is what happened. Do flat tops not produce market drops? I mean, come on. What a monster move. You can't do better analysis than that, traders. And I've been doing analysis this accurately. Ask anybody for as long as I've been presenting the Omni to my traders. Now, thank God I'm not some nut who thinks I could sit here and conjure this crap up. It wouldn't be possible at all. I don't know where a market's going to go. The analysis tells me what to tell you. And so far, that was a perfect call. And then putting out a video the next day to say, don't let that fall deter you. Remember what happened in April. Tariffs are not going to hurt this country. Now, you have all the anti Trump or whatever you want to call them people going, oh my God, Trump's going to ruin the world. He did it again. He's going to ruin the world. But they forgot what happened in April. You know what I mean? It didn't ruin the world in April, and that was tariffs on everyone in the world. So, how on earth was this going to be a big problem? It was a buy opportunity, most likely. It's why I came out and did a video after this drop to say, how could raising rents on the ports of entry and our docks in the United States possibly hurt the country? These people are going to sell to us no matter what. Why? Because I went to the store yesterday to buy another pair of throwaway glasses. I've got about 15 pairs of throwaway glasses because I'm an American and I use them and I throw them in the garbage. And then I go buy more because I'm an American. That's what we do. We're Romanesque. Who does not want to sell to that attitude where there's hundreds of millions of people who do it? Everybody does. They don't care about the tariffs. These countries, they are going to sell that crap to us anyway. They'll pay the tariffs through the nose. Why? Their own country would never buy 50 of these just to have different color labels. You know what I'm saying? Holy America, does this craziness happen? We are a consumer driven economy. They want to sell to us no matter what the hell the tax is going to be to get in here. So this will straighten itself right out. It was just like what happened in April, but it's only one country now, not the world. How could it be so bad? But the flat top was right on the money. The market, the chart knew that this was going to happen. The chart gave us the flat top. I gave it to you. I did the Oscarism. Flat tops produce market drops, and then the market dropped. Could you ask for more than this, kids? We are so blessed with the analysis that Omni puts out for us. We are just rocking this thing. Check this out. Thank you to all my loyal Omniacs and fans around this world. Look what you've done to my Omni trading crypto. This is since its inception day. It's just been, people love it. I thank you so much. And it's not just you. When you come in and buy it, I support you. When someone comes in to sell it, all right, the Omniacs come out from around the world and we support it. Now, there's nothing going on here except for this is a very good opportunity between a lot of people around the world who have been connected to each other for years on end through the Omni to participate in something together, and it is working. I thank all of you so much. We love you guys for trading the Omni Trading token. By the way, it's still very inexpensive. If you do not have Omni Trading token out there, Omni Trading One only, Omni Trading, all caps, one word. Anything else is a scam or fake. You search Omni Trading. If you have any problem with that, you contact me directly and I'll make sure you are purchasing the proper crypto. But once again, thank you guys. We love you to death. Now, how about this? The Trump tariff nonsense happened on this day. Crypto went down a little, and boom, boom, boom. My crypto went back up. Ethereum's going back up. Bitcoin's going back up. Everything's going back up. And the stock market should go back up, just as we spoke about. Why? Because flat tops produce market drops. But once they do, this is a bull market. Stops have been all taken out, and now you can recover and go higher. Doesn't mean it's going to jump right out of the chute on Monday, because Monday is a federal holiday. It's Columbus Day in the United States. Banks are closed. Bond markets are closed. Maybe you don't get your recovery Monday. Maybe it waits a couple days. Maybe it starts right off on Monday. But you should now just head right back up, because the news is out. The chart warned us flat top. Then the news came out. It got heard. The selling happened. And then stronger, probably calmer heads must have prevailed over this weekend to say, hold on, wait a minute. Did we actually just sell that news when it was announced to put tariffs all over all the countries on the planet that trade with us? That wasn't enough to crash the markets and start a recession. It was just a pullback that recovered. Well, why on earth would I have sold that one on Friday except for short term? Now it happened. It's been absorbed. Start looking for a spot to get back in. That's my gift to you. I am so glad we were able to call this flat top before it happened. And thank you so much for supporting the crypto. Omni Trading Token, you support it. I've got your back, kids. I love you to death. I will never, ever do anything to harm you. And I see that you're not doing anything to harm me. So thank you so much the way you're handling the trading of the crypto with me, of the Omni Token. So back to the markets. We should get some kind of recovery tomorrow. I don't know that it's a good idea for me to put out an Omni for getting in or out of the markets tomorrow, because it is a federal holiday. After something insane happened on a Friday, it can be really dangerous for my Omniacs to get in a trade. And here's the thing. If you're somebody who feels they have to be in the market every day, getting in, have to be in, I'm not talking about holding a long-term position. I'm talking about if you day trade. If you think you have to be in every day, you're not a trader, you're an addict. If you know that there are certain days you just back off, because the market will be here again on Tuesday, it'll be here again on Wednesday, it's going to be here again next Thursday of next week, it's going to be here in December. You don't have to be in this every day. There is no need to throw yourself in front of that freight train we're looking at right here. So let's let the dust settle on Monday, and we'll get back into this on Monday night for Tuesday, when there is no federal holiday in the United States. That's what I wanted to show you, kids. Now I'll get to say goodbye. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Now, why I did that so quietly is everybody else in this building is asleep over here. I'm a nut that got up at 4 in the morning and has been working ever since. So, and of course, I will always do that for you. In fact, I'm going to do some cranking analysis right after this video and see what Monday is going to look like, whether we trade it or not. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com, and make sure you go to pump.fun to watch my streaming.